Hello and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. My name is Rosemary Orchard, and in today's tip show, we're going to look at customizing Siri suggestions. Siri suggestions appear everywhere. They appear when you swipe up into the app switcher, and also in other places like on your share sheet. However, sometimes you might want to customize these Siri suggestions to make better use of them. For example, hiding incorrect suggestions and apps that you just never ever use. So to start with, we need to look for Siri in the settings. And if we scroll down to this middle section with General, then you can see the option here for Siri and Search. Now, as well as being able to toggle things like, "Hey Apple Lady," I won't say the real thing, just in case your HomePods are listening, you can also toggle on various suggestions right here. For example, suggestions while searching. Now, these are the suggestions where if I swipe up and go to the home screen and swipe down to enter Spotlight, you can see some Siri suggestions right here. And if I wanted to see more of them, because they're perhaps quite accurate, then I can tap the disclosure icon in the top right to see more options. Now, if you find that this is incredibly inaccurate or just annoying, you can of course toggle this off in the settings. Suggestions on the lock screen is one that I can't show you because it shows up when Siri feels that it's most accurate. And of course, this is my iPhone for Screencasts Online, so it's actually kind of difficult for it to figure out what it is that I'm doing because I spend a week or two in an app and then move on to the next one. However, if you have normal iPhone usage, where you open various apps every day, maybe, for example, you go for a walk on a daily basis and you usually stop and you take a picture from a lovely spot. Well, you might find when you get to that spot, that Instagram would be suggested on your lock screen, if that's how you usually take and share those photos. Again, if it's not useful, you can toggle this off right here.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.